You can make any song, any length in Premiere Pro. Here's how. On my timeline currently, I have my footage, adjustment layer, title, and sound effects added accordingly for my Adventure Washington cinematic video that I just recently published. But you may have noticed this super long audio track on the timeline. Well, if you haven't guessed it, that's the music track, and we obviously need to shorten it. And to do this, we're going to use the Remix tool, a tool that I use very frequently on my video projects. Let me show you how it works. As you can see, the track currently ends at 2 minutes and 30 seconds, but we need it to end around the 53-second mark. To do this, head over to this icon in your tools panel and click and hold to find the Remix tool. And then you're just going to literally drag the music track to the duration that you need it to be. And in this case, we're shortening it. Then let go. And in literally 1 second, the clip analysis happened. You can even see where Premiere's cuts took place with those new lines on the music track. What I'll usually do after this is highlight the remix track and then click the G key to lower the gain, aka volume, of the track to something around -30 if it's a YouTube video. But since this is a cinematic short with no vocal track, I'll lower the volume to -10. After that, I'll usually solo the music by clicking this S on the track where the remix song lives, so I can hear what it sounds like without any sound effects or other audio interfering. Thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing, guys. Feel free to stick around and give the 1-minute cinematic short a listen and see if you can hear where the remix portions of the track are. Comment if it's obvious, and I'll see you in the next one.